everyone. Getting off to a drier start across west central and northwest Ohio this morning as that front that moved through yesterday, it pretty well stalled out over the southern portions of Ohio, and that's where we just have this round after round of rain from Cincinnati, Dayton, Columbus. But again, as expected, most of that staying just off to our south this morning. So we look at the radar as we look locally, fairly dry, some false returns that are showing up on the radar. So that's basically just radar clutter here, not actually reaching the ground. So again, we're going to see a drier forecast today with a chance for just a few isolated showers, but nothing to really write home about. But we will look at more rain coming back in the forecast tonight. So we're not done talking about rain, but we'll take a break. You know, yesterday we had some areas seeing over 2 inches of that rainfall. So any break that we can get is good news. It gives some time for that water to kind of get into the ground before the next round of rain comes, which will come our way tonight. But you notice during the day today, it's a cloudy Friday. You know, we are going to struggle with these temperatures. We're on the north side of a front. We've got winds out of the northeast, and we've got completely thick cloud cover overhead. So this just keeps our temperature from really being able to get going anywhere. So we'll just kind of hold from where we are this morning through the afternoon. Just a very cool, kind of raw day out there. But it is fairly dry. We'll just look at a few isolated rain showers for our Friday. And even this evening, the rain is kind of holding off too. So we notice at 8, 9 o'clock, still not a whole lot happening. We'll look at temperatures again holding steady around 40 degrees. When we get into the late evening around 11 p.m. and onward, boy, all bets are off here for rain. More widespread rain showers, and we see the heavier rain expected to impact our eastern and southeastern locations going through the overnight and pre-dawn hours of our Saturday. And then most of the rain will be wrapping up by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Just a few additional showers, and the rain will be isolated as we go throughout our Saturday forecast. Temperatures will briefly rebound and then fall as we go through the afternoon as cooler air will return across the area. So here's a breakdown of our Saturday. Again, the rain is moving out, but what follows is very gusty winds. So windy conditions will be really the big weather story tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures at 55 by noon and then falling to the 40s in the afternoon, but winds very gusty. In fact, looking at the future wind gusts, at 11 a.m. tomorrow, seeing gusts around 30 miles per hour. But watch in the afternoon. It's tomorrow afternoon when things really ramp up here with these winds. Forecast wind gusts around 50 to 55 miles per hour. So that could cause some sporadic power outages. And certainly with the saturated ground, we've seen this time and time again. Some trees could get knocked down because of that. So just be mindful of that tomorrow. We could see a few power outages if this wind forecast does verify. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. It's going to be a very windy day tomorrow. Not the best of Saturdays, but Sunday gets better. We'll enjoy some sunshine out there, lighter winds. Temperature at 54 degrees. We'll see a weak disturbance on Monday give us some cold rain showers. Temperatures at 48. 48 on Tuesday with a chance for a spotty shower. And then looking at 51 on Wednesday with sunshine. And then it looks like we'll wrap up next week with our next chances of rain as temperatures will bounce back to near 60 by next Friday.